was 1909 when they created home economics, a class where the man could supervise to make sure women did what he wanted. We studied hard for dinner time so we could make his meals just right. But I won't be his trophy wife, proper, prim and polished. It's been over a century, he still thinks we should cook and clean. Gave him one chance to show respect and he said to me, young age, pretty face, bright ideas. You new around here, are you new around here? Your big mouth been talking a lot. Leave that new age shit outside. Too much attitude when men are speaking, don't intrude, no. You must ask permission, now get back in the kitchen. Last time that I checked, I am not a chef. I am just a girl. This cruel world has no respect. He thinks I'm worthless unless I'm getting undressed. I tried to dismiss his arrogance, but now he's overstepped. Bigot boy must be confused, 'cause who the fuck you talking to? 6 figures by 22. Money go longer than your dick do. No matter what I do, he'll disapprove. He mistakes his beliefs for truth. I'm trying to help, prepare yourself for when he says to you, young age, pretty face, bright ideas. You seem to be new around here. Your big mouth been talking a lot. Leave that new age shit outside. Too much attitude when men are speaking, don't intrude, no. You must ask permission, now get back in the kitchen. Raise your voice, he made us whisper. Scream and shout, loud and proud. Don't need nothing from no mister, just a little feminism.